Sophia's passion for cooking. I'm a host, Sophia. Mango is the king of fruits and summer is the season for mangoes. Today I'm going to make a perfect mango juice. Once you try this recipe, I bet you'll never buy mango juice from the store again. Before I start, I just want to say a special thanks to you for your continuous support. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. And also hit the bell to see all my uploads immediately. Let's get started. I use mostly ripe mangoes. For every 4 ripe mangoes, I'm adding 1 raw or semi-raw mango as well. Peel the skin and chop them up. Use a heavy bottom vessel. I'm using a 4-liter pressure cooker, which is very convenient for me. Into that, add 1 cup of water and 1 cup of sugar. Spread the sugar evenly. Add the chopped mangoes. And a pinch of salt. Close it and cook on high. This pressure cooker doesn't have a weight. If you're using a regular one, put the weight on when the pressure comes. Now the pressure is building up. I'm going to lock the pressure and cook for 4 minutes on high. Now it's been 4 minutes. Turn the heat off and let the pressure settle down completely before you open it up. Unlock the pressure cooker. Open it. Yeah, this is perfect. Look at this. Blend it smoothly with the hand blender or food processor. Make sure there is no mango chunk left behind. Add 3 to 4 cups of water. Give it a good mix. Mango juice is supposed to be thick, not thin. Look at this consistency. Because this variety of mango has lots of fiber, I'm going to strain it, but you don't have to. Of course, fiber is good for your health, but for juice, it won't be nice. I've got 10 cups of juice now, and also the consistency is thick. Once it comes to room temperature, put it in a glass bottle and refrigerate for up to 5 days. Add some ice cubes and serve it. As I told you already, if you taste this recipe once, you'll never buy it from the store again. Thanks for joining. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Check out my other videos. Bye-bye.